Professor Matheson, guests, and members of the new college. It's very good to have you all here again at the Thai table dinner in the second semester. I ask you all to join me in welcoming Professor Matheson, our Vice Chancellor and President, to be here today. He will be addressing us after dinner, and we look forward to his address. New College is special because we are born with a special birth certificate called sustainability. It doesn't mean that we are going to last forever, but we do want residents here have a chance to be part of the most important things in our millennium, that is sustainable development. What is sustainable development? You must have heard it many times. I just heard Professor Matheson ask the question about this, what do you do at this college? And I think the person he asked gave a pretty good answer. Because sustainable development is such a abstract idea to many people, we here try to give you real experience with living a sustainable lifestyle, and also knowledge that give you understanding of what sustainable development is. In short, we want to see development that works not just for ourselves, for our immediate gains, but for the long-term future. That means we care about our next generations, and will design things that will not jeopardize their opportunities while we make progress at the same time. Somebody said this sustainable development is one of the greatest development opportunity and thoughts for this millennium. It has the same impact as the three great European transformations of the past millennia: the Reformation, the Renaissance, and the Industrial Revolution. So it's a great chance for you all to experience some of it. In fact, we offer courses, I understand, and it's been very popular with our students, typical of Hong Kong. Even when in their spare time they made an effort, and I'm sure the courses were really worthwhile. So in all, our approach is for the outdoor nature environment. We give you the opportunity to not only learn about it, but to experience it. Many of us who grew up in Hong Kong never had the chance of getting out of the concrete jungle. Nature is a stranger to them. So here you have the chance of nature appreciation, where we give lectures and then we go visit Maipo, Hoi Ha, marine parks, wetland. We went harvesting in the Long Valley for rice, and we also have nature garden right outside where we were having the reception. And many of you joined the harvest meal with vegetables like potatoes, turnips, which were grown by ourselves. I congratulate the students who persevered with real organic farming, no pesticides, that means a lot of hard work, and no artificial fertilizers, apart from the compost that we generate from our food leftovers. This is the outside world. And for the built environment, which is equally important in Hong Kong, we have the Blue Sky project, where energy conservation is encouraged by data availability. We are using a startup firm which help us to install software that can tell the energy consumption of each equipment within the premises, so that it is displayed and competition starts, And our new college, I'm very proud to say, our first calculation showed that we're 20% more energy efficient than the rest of the three colleges here. So, in a nutshell, we want you to experience it, to have knowledge about it, to get interested in it. And what we are doing here are some epiphanies. Let them evoke more. So I propose a toast now to the sustainable development of the University of Hong Kong. To the University of Hong Kong. Yes. Yes.